be unsafe here. Second day. Not the best weather day we got going, but how do you feel about it?
It sucks, it's raining, and it would be cool to see and shoot a turkey today, ideally. Even seeing one.
That's the
nice.
plan. Yeah, we're actually gonna go right back up to where we were yesterday morning. There were birds around and they were gobbling, and I had one kind of sneak in the field, and my dad was up there yesterday and he said that there were a couple longbeards and a hen right kind of where we were set up yesterday, and we're hoping that with this rain they kind of hens will go to the nest, or maybe those toms will hit the field again, who knows, but we're just gonna get tucked down in there and see what happens. Alright, well, we're all set up here. It's about 5:30 right now. We just kind of tucked in against the stone wall. Put some hemlock boughs in front of us, but don't know if they're really going to be gobbling on the roost this morning or not, but we're just going to kind of sit tight and see what happens. Probably till at least 7, and if nothing happens by then, we'll probably get up and get back in the woods and work our way kind of across to another field. Kind of the same thing we did yesterday, but we'll see. How you feeling? Another day in paradise. Soaking wet already, but we're living the dream. The rain isn't helping, but that's alright. Can't shoot them from the couch. Super foggy. Here.
Just make sure you put it right on his head, okay? Put it right on his head and pull the trigger when I tell you to. He'll be alright, he'll be alright, don't worry about it. It's fine. Shoot the one on the left. Shoot the one on the left. Yes.
Going there.
Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go, Jakey! Let's go, baby! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Oh, yeah, man. Good job, buddy. Let's go. Good job. That was the one, too. We wanted the one on the left. Good shot. Nice little Jake. That's fine, dude. Fucking right, baby. Stoned him. Yeah, just go ahead and grab him. Attaboy, Tyler. Good job, man. Good job.
That was crazy.
Yeah, it took their time.
Dude, he came in.
They were getting like a little weird. They were like,
He turned back around. That one I couldn't see for the longest time because
I know.
that tree was stuck in between them. And
I mean, this was the bigger of the two.
that's the one. I couldn't see him the whole time.
Yeah, and I'm like, that's why I was like, on your left, on your left.
I couldn't see him. I had that tree, and
I know.
he's got to keep coming. He had to keep coming.
Good shot, man. That stoned him.
I got nothing. Blacked out.
Yeah. Yeah, our set. That's where Tyler was.
Guide of the year.
I probably. I wish I brought the tripod because this thing was going crazy. I couldn't get steady on it out. But when they take so long to come in, it's like you get so much time to get amped up.
I was looking through the screen on the camera because I could only see like if they moved a little bit, that second, both of them were out of range. Like I couldn't see either of them.
Yeah.
That was crazy. Shaking like a leaf.
Oh, me too. Dude. My leg is like.
Yeah, I know. I couldn't get it back up. I couldn't get up. Holy shit, dude! I could have shot them both.
Oh no, the other one.
The second one just stood there. Like, Jesus.
First bird, buddy. First of many, man.